Yo, what up, dude? I was just making this video for you real quick so you would know how to easily change that water, how easy it is to change the water filter on the refrigerators. So anyway, this one, you don't have to pull down that little slot like yours, but it's going to connect the same exact way. It's just like a quarter turn of a twist. So here, let me show you. So there, that's the filter on this one. And it's, oops, sorry. And sometimes I'll grab something to just put under it, like a small pot or something, or just, you know, this small little can here, just in case it leaks, but usually they don't. Oh, and here's how I know that it's bad. Water filter. So that button right there comes on, it tells me that it's done. So here we go. And I bought one of those same kits that I told you to buy, and it came with 3 instead of 1 for the price of like 6 of these, and they do the exact same thing. Anyway, so you turn lefty right, righty tighty lefty loosey, turn, pull down, didn't drip, then take your new one. It's covered in plastic. I already took the plastic off, but just go on and pull off this little seal on top, just like that. There's your old one. Don't turn it upside down or it will spill on you. So see, so don't turn it upside down. Then you just take your old one, put it up on there, you just put it up on there, push up until it kind of falls in the spot. I always push up and then go backwards, and it falls in the spot, and then turn it tight, and you just heard it fill. And that is not where it stops. Now you have to get yourself a cup. You're done in here, so you can go ahead and close that, but you got to get yourself a cup, and you're probably going to have black or brownish water that comes out of this because it is a carbon filter. It's filtered with carbon. So the first few times you use it, there's going to be carbon that comes out of it. So make sure you take a big cup and you just fill it like 3 or 4 times and dump it out. Let me show you. This is just the water in the line. Now it's clearing the air from the new one, pulling in new water, and there you go. If I go in close, you can see the color of this water. See, and there's the carbon from the new filters. So we're just getting out that carbon. And you do this, you know, I don't know, maybe 3 times. So there you go. And we'll dump that. So here's going to be fill number 3. We'll take a look at the water. I'll bet you it's clear. And you're good. So now we're going to set that water aside. And then we reset. We reset our filter. We hold this down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then it'll reset. There you go. And now your water filter is changed and you're good to go.